The year is 2016. The estimated current population on Earth is around 7.5 billion. This is a 2.5 billion increase from 1990, a 5 billion increase from 1950, and a 6.5 billion increase from 1850. The world population is expected to increase by 9.7 billion in 2050. With this increase in population, hunger, poverty, and homelessness will be even more present than it is now. In addition to this, our planet has been suffering at our hands. Climate change, global warming, damage to our environment, and depletions of resources. With the problems we are facing, it is not surprising that we have started to delve into other possibility of life on another planet. For years now, NASA has been interested in finding signs of life on Mars, and it is only recently that discovered water flowing on Mars, thus making the reality of intergalactic populations so close to our grasp.
That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
These issues pose an intriguing question. Do we have the right to colonize other planets? Do we have the right to just pick up and move when the going gets tough here on Earth? When all of our drinking water is gone and the melted ice caps have submerged a fraction of our land in water, can we just leave?
Let's get the hell out of here.
Colonizing other planets will take a massive amount of resources, including time, money, and technology. These resources will, in turn, generate more pollution on Earth, further deteriorating it. What if, instead, we use this time, money, and technology to fix the planet we already colonized? In order to have the means to colonize another planet, we'll need major technological advances. These technologies will have to make it possible not only to transport hundreds of people to another planet, but also to make that planet hospitable. We could instead invest in technologies that could save the Earth. We could put all of our efforts into technologies that would save the issues we face on Earth today, such as alleviating poverty and hunger in certain areas, developing a clean energy and water alternative, fighting climate change and global warming instead of simply giving up and leaving only to take over another planet and make the same mistakes.
In the film The Martian, the protagonist Mark Watney is a researcher who is stuck on Mars. On Mars, he lives in a small bubble, only able to go outside with his full suit on. There is no warmth from sunlight, no surrounding bodies of water, and no beautiful landscape.
In the face of overwhelming odds, I'm left with only one option. I'm gonna have to science the shit out of this.
This takes away many of the small outdoor pleasures one has on Earth. So not only is Mark confined to what he can do in his pod, he is also confined with minimal activity outside of it. If we colonize other planets, we would be in a very similar predicament. Is this how we want to live? In a world of reduced freedom and happiness? Overall, colonizing another planet is not necessarily beneficial to our world. It may be unethical and also illogical. We could potentially waste resources that could be used to fix our own planet on efforts that would lead to a life that would make us remember and wish we could return to what we had on Earth.
You maniacs! You blew it up! Oh, damn you!